Huawei has just introduced the second generation of its foldable, triptych, and additional products at a significant event in China. The brand has firmly established itself as the only one in the market, with two such phones by releasing the Huawei Mate XTs Ultimate Design. This device boasts an enormous 10.2-inch LTPO OLED display with 3K resolution, which, thanks to two hinges, can be folded to transform into either a 7.9-inch tablet or a 6.4-inch cell phone. Inside it officially debuts the new Kirin 9020 processor, although we had already seen it in other devices, but for some reason until this event they have officially presented it, which together with Harmony OS 5.1 promises up to 36% more performance. Its camera system is very complete, with a main sensor of 50 megapixels of variable aperture, a wide angle of 40 megapixels and a telephoto of 12 megapixels with optical zoom 5.5x. The battery is 5600 mAh and supports fast charging of 66 watts by cable and 50 watts wirelessly. Its price in China starts at 17,999 yuan, which is approximately $2,520. Although remember that the prices here are not the same as there,